Good morning, welcome to another daily video. Today is the second day of us in Wales. So we loaded up the car, said goodbye to our Airbnb, jumped in the car and headed towards the local town of Mold. Me and Megan went into a local charity shop and bought Tash a gift. We said hello to a dog, then surprised Tash with her gift, which I think she was happy with. We then jumped in the car and headed our way towards this castle. I'm not going to try to pronounce it because I have no idea. The castle was amazing. After leaving the castle, we headed our way to a local waterfall. Again, this is the name of the waterfall. I am not going to try to pronounce it because I can't. While on the walk, Megan decided it'd be a good idea for me and Tash to try some sloe berries. Very sour there. After leaving the waterfalls, we then headed to our overnight stay, which is this local farm down the road. We set up a tent and blew up the airbed before getting a guided tour of the local farm. We are now going to enjoy a few drinks and some of the delicious lamb stew that everyone is cooking. I'm doing a daily video every single day. I shall see you tomorrow for another one. Until then,
Major Macro.